common denominator.
And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
Let's talk about something important. Put that coffee down.
I'm not here to waste your time.
Where else you gonna have this much fun?
You the man. You the man.
Todd Father.
Show me the money.
What I've been doing, had to triple my bag. Had to triple my bag. Wow. Had to triple my bag. Wow. Had to triple my bag. Yeah. Had to triple my bag.
60% of the time, it works every time.
That doesn't make sense.
Well, it's no trick to make a lot of money. All you want is to make a lot of money.
Hey, good afternoon. Got some excitement going on today. Matthew selling some puts on BlackBerry. That'll keep you awake. What up, everybody? So we got Bitcoin lower left, downtrend into this morning's lows. We've tested a couple times. But we're setting up here actually pretty nice at 30,738. As I tweeted and I've given Discord, we are did do some buying down here. Didn't catch the low exact, but well, we bought Bitcoin over 2,000 lower than where we got stopped out for. What was it, 3,500 in gains or something. I've had two big trades in Ethereum, nice trade in Litecoin. I think we got stopped out of Litecoin. We'll go over that like 138 or something. We've not bought back Litecoin as of yet. Damn, I forgot to add naked to my software. Sorry, Anna. I didn't get that done today. I've been too busy. What's up, Anwar? So, I guess let's go over a few things. In front of us, Bitcoin, USD, Bitfinex. You can see lower right, technometer right down here at 39.02. We like a 38 or below reading in there. We really haven't gotten that yet. But I really this morning was wanting a break below that 28.8 level. Did not get it. Went ahead and jumped in on some partial positions. What's up, Jet? And we still could get that. I'm not ruling out another break below 28.8, so I'm keeping a little bit of powder dry. If you can see here, if we go to a few more, Bitcoin, USD, consolidated, 140 exchanges. You can see volume there has not been huge to the downside, which is really what the technometer measures. You can see technometer 41.8. So not making me want to close my eyes and buy, but we wanted to reestablish the lower prices, and we've gotten that. You're right. We got a little bit of a lower reading in Bitfinex on the technometer that gave us a decent buy. So we're just not getting major selling here. It looks like institutions are buying a little bit on the dips. I'll show that here in just a minute on the intraday chart. Ethereum, USD, we've had what, around 42 today on the technometer. $42.8 Ethereum, and Litecoin did get around. Litecoin was down in the 30s at the lows. Let's look at that here. But Litecoin's been a little bit weaker. Maybe did a C wave of a triangle today on Litecoin. Litecoin technometer is trying to calculate. Might have an error there, I don't know. We're going to go back to Bitcoin, Bitfinex. We're going to go to the intraday chart. To show the reason we did do some buying today. I did tweet, if you join our Patreon, patreon.com/learncrypto, 40 bucks a month. If you join right now, we will reimburse you February 1's $40 charge, so you won't get double charged here. So if you do it now in the next few days, just remind us and we'll give you back February 1's charge. Now here is intraday Bitcoin Bitfinex. You can see lower right, OP continues to show nothing but selling. Selling has came in back here at this high at 33,000 on the left. We've had sell volume coming in. I think that's miners selling. And price definitely here is holding up since the 21st. So we did hold that 28.8 level while volume came in much more negative. So somebody's holding us up here, which again is the reason we did do some nibbling. What's up, Hunter? So that is interesting. And then we've got the same type of thing on really Bitcoin USD, USDT, same type of thing. I'll bring this up real quick. It looks like we're just not having any institutions showing up with any major reason to buy here on Bitcoin. I did think it was cool though. I mean, we got the Dow down 580. It was down what, about 640, I think. NASDAQ down 340. Bitcoin has held in here. I think that's pretty good here short term. Again, you can see Bitcoin USDT 5-minute consolidated volume, same type of thing. Major selling while price is holding. So I do think somehow here we just try to bounce and see what we can get going to the upside. Let's look at stocks real quick. We got the Fed. I think he's still talking in the background. I don't think nothing major out of the Fed. I think they're paying themselves into the corner. Here's a 9-month SPY ETF. You can see here technometer 39.9 as oversold as it's been on all these previous lows. So I'd like to see the S&P 500 dig in right here. Maybe spring the low from the 15th. But currently I'm still staying long stocks. Some have got hurt today, as you know. A lot of them have been on fire. And you got the Reddit ones that are absolutely on fire. Bitcoin 30,811, working near the highs here of the afternoon. So again, stock indicators to me still are a little bit friendly. So it looks like we are have had selling and we're just not really breaking down. For the hell of it, we're going to throw up GameStop. Don't know what for. Can't get much out of this chart. Strong buying coming in. Crazy action. Yeah, the Fed's just along for the ride. There's Bitcoin, high of the afternoon, 30,964. Ethereum, 1290. So we bought those things lower. Sorry to hear, Jet. Now let's see if we're ready to rock and roll the upside here. So 1290 Ethereum. Let's look at TLT. That's one that wanting to be short, but have not done it. Made a new high for this rally today. So not short TLT as of yet. GDX, everybody knows we're short GDX. I've rode this horse for a long damn time. I was looking for a breakdown here. We are getting the breakdown. Technometer was extremely oversold, but I thought that wouldn't matter here because I thought we were in markdown phase. So that's why you just can't follow the technometer by itself. So we are long dust, which is short the miners. So GDX, I'm looking if we could just get below this 33.12 level or so, then maybe we can get some more downside here. So I'm still short metals. I was bearish when everybody was extremely bullish, trying to ride this thing down. QQQ. Same type of thing. I mean, the technometer's at 42. We've had an uptrend here. I don't, hasn't really given up the uptrend. So I still think we're going to try to work higher. I've talked about it. Sentiment is extremely bullish. Margin debt is extremely bearish here. Too many people are on margin. You've had the small trader, extremely long options. So there's a lot of scary signs, but a trend is a trend. Space is one that I missed the other day. Was looking at that at 36 on this reversal from yesterday. Ran to what, like 59 today? Can't say much. I mean, obviously technometer's overbought. There's no real glaring problem with the volume. That's just one of those wild ones. I would think some of these are going to probably slow down, and then the normal stocks will come back to forefront, would be my guess. Over here, we're going to keys. I've showed you that we're long this. And actually, for our pro traders, we added 50% positions yesterday, around 146.80, I believe it was. Again, we had OP going down, price holding sideways with an extreme oversold technometer. We've had 3 of these. So we had it when we bought here. We had one also at 130 that we didn't jump on, that we should have. And then we had one here at 146 yesterday. So keys has been keeping us extremely happy. Trip, we're still long. It's had a good reversal to the upside today. PAGS is the only position we got that's not doing well today. I talked about this being a little bit weaker. It has came back to our entry. We've let that one slide off because our other positions have been doing well. We got really oversold technometer, so we do think this thing will bounce, and then we'll probably get rid of it. Disney. Technometer lower right, 40.8. A little more oversold actually even yesterday. Again, I would think a stock like this probably bounces here. Tesla, 9 months. Made a new high 2 days ago. Technometer 48. Not much to add there. No help on Tesla from me. Here's just GLD, the ETF. We had called really the same type of chart we've had, a fall through the ice, a rally back to the ice on November 6th. And this January 5th high was important. But I've stayed bearish still, the metals. So again, I think still lower. That chart still looks lower to me. Now, Kathy Woods, I do watch what she's buying and selling a little bit. So trying to watch that a little bit here. There's Bitcoin, 31,150. Ethereum, 1296. Thank you very much. And still in stock market, Dow down 513 now. Let's update that. Down 525 on the Dow. I got AMC and GME. Some of these Acme, I told you I missed that the other day at 108. It's 122. That one's got away from me. Yeah, I'm going to probably make this short because need to stay focused on what I'm doing here. Inuvo. INUV is not in my system, but I will look at it here real quick. It looks like it jumped some resistance to 75 cents. Big volume. Don't know much about that. Those are kind of hard and higher risk to trade, Jet, so I wouldn't be scared of it. Obviously, huge buying coming in. I'd probably try to stay long that. There's Bitcoin 31,400. Yikes. I mean, GBTC would just be having some of the premium taken out, especially with the stock market down, so people are just selling what they've made some money in to probably cover losses other places. I'd have no problem with that. Bitcoin, a quick 2,000 off the low. CLC, I wonder, I did not put that in the system if I was supposed to. Cannot give anything on CLC as of yet. Not in the software at least. Ethereum knocking on 1,300 again. What's up, Oban? CLC. Maybe that's a crypto symbol. Coin Ghost. Again, I won't have that in the software. So again, if you look at Bitcoin USDT consolidated, you can see major sell volume into today's low while price held. That's why we're getting the bounce that we are right now. And that doesn't mean that was a major low. It just means there was too much selling going on down there and somebody held it. So the question will be whether this rally sticks now. AAVE has been a strong one. 286 on the lower left screen. Made a 268 and a 258 this morning. Whenever I give a buy on Bitcoin or Ethereum, you can always buy those type of coins you're looking at. I always tell members that. Appreciate it, Chemo. I would think Uni keeps going. 1519 new high 5 minutes ago. That's been a strong one. I would think that would continue higher as well. Now again, be prepared. I mean, I'm not going to rule out Bitcoin going down below 28.8 one more time before we mop this up. But as I said, we did go long. We are long Ethereum. We had just somewhat buy signals, but not what I was used to. But Bitcoin, if we're in a bull market, is not going to let you get in easily. EGLD. If it's got a pork blaster, we might need to bring that up. No one knows what a pork blaster is, maybe. Really, it's just a triangle pattern. And that would have been a pork blaster the other day. We're coming into that is what we call a pork blaster there in the green. Just a continuation pattern. And then actually we're doing almost one up here on a short-term basis. I will throw this up. There's the pork blaster t-shirt. You can get those at learncryptomerch.com, MERCH. A buddy of ours is running that. Really, since we're pretty busy, but that's a cool t-shirt. There's also mugs over there. Various few things over there that are cool. Let's look at Link on the intraday while I've got it up here, Link USD. Josh, I think Bitcoin could break that 28.8, but that doesn't make it into a bear market, I don't think. If we're in a bear market, I still think we'll probably have a pretty decent rally before that happens. I don't think we collapse here. Here is Link on the 5-minute chart. And you can see major selling into the low on the 21st while price held. That 18 level was our previous buy. So I would think Link can dig in here as well, work higher. I think Nick could verify, but we sold that. I got stopped out of some Link around 24.12, I think, on the USD. He was long the BTC pair. So Bitcoin 31,250 still holding in. Let's go to the Link daily chart. Back to the Link USD consolidated. Again, back there at that 18 was a decent buy level. Now we've got the technometer 46. So I would just say it's continuing to rally and have 50% pullbacks, kind of. So I wouldn't be scared of Link at the moment. GRT is not in my software. Try to add that soon. What's up, Richism? What's up, Brandon? XRP. I would have bought that a little bit ago as well, possibly. I don't think it's going to moonshot, but you could trade it. DOT is not in the software, but DOT's been well. I would think DOT continues still higher. 1585 down 7% today in a sideways pattern. I would say still probably try to work higher on DOT. XRP technometer was at 47. We're down to 41.1. Volume hitting a new low. So I would think I think if you're in Ripple, you want to trade that thing for 3 or 4 cents. And probably don't fall in love with it. Uni, I think, still higher. Not one that I've been trading. Here's VET USD, JET. Volume at a new low actually coming into today. I would think VET would hold in here as well. Work higher. Igor, what's going on? Yeah, we bought some Bitcoin today. I mentioned a little bit earlier. So we're back in. We got stopped out at 32,775, I think it was on most places. 32,775. So we bought it back a couple thousand cheaper. Got Ethereum back cheaper. We've got a couple of big trades in Ethereum here. So again, I think Bitcoin's acting well now in the shorter time frames. Hopefully that was a major low there, but I'm not sure of that as of yet. What's up, Dewey? The B. We're trading 31.4 now, 12.95 Ethereum. stocks are still down stocks are down 633. NASDAQ 400, 30 minutes to go. Yeah, Ethereum, we've had a couple big gains here on Ethereum on our trading bag. HODL bag, definitely doing well. If Bitcoin could claim 32,850 again, or whatever that high was, I would think that's what we really need to say the low is in. Anything above 32,000 would look really good as well. What up, Outlaw? Carl? So, so far everything's well. It's amazing stocks are near the lows of the day, and Bitcoin really near the highs of, you can almost say during the highs of the stock market day. So again, anybody that's not in Discord, patreon.com/learncrypto, 40 bucks a month. If you pay in the next few days, we'll refund February's double charge, so you don't get double charged right here at the end of the month, which is something that Patreon do. We can't really affect that. Bitcoin's still staying right here. We'll see what happens when the stocks close. Let's go back to the Bitcoin chart. Here's pretty well today in front of us. You can see we did do some buying. Really, we bought after the low was made. Didn't get the entries I really wanted, but just felt like I had to get back in here, get back on the horse. So 30 minutes to go on the stocks. I'm leaning bullish. We've re-entered quite a few positions. Stock market, I still think we'll try to hold in here and work higher. Let me run a disclaimer real quick.
There is a high degree of risk involved in trading cryptocurrencies. Our thoughts and ideas are for entertainment purposes only. Please consult your personal advisor or do your own research. Past results are not indicative of future returns. Thank you.
All right, get that out of the way. Bitcoin's still holding here. So that's really all I got. If anybody's got any random questions, we can answer a few questions. 900 viewers, appreciate it. Maybe give me a like or a retweet or give me something. Yeah, we stay back and forth on computers. If we go to a longer term Elliott wave count, I mean, it still looks like we're doing a large wave, the white 4. It could be ending here, or we could spend some more time on this, but really we should be ending this. And then we're ready for 5 waves up. There's no cat, there's a dog here. It might look like a cat. There's Zoe. There's Zoe. Keeps me company down here. What up, Dirk? So 31.2, 1285 Ethereum, Ethereum 15 off the high we just made. You might want to try to trade these things a little bit, if you can. Hey, Zoe. Zoe's shy. She doesn't want to be on camera. Don't need to be crying. Nice cat dog. I mean, the monthly definitely does look like a blow off, no doubt. You know, I think we had a spring the other day when we did the 28.8. Hopefully today was a test. So this would be the end of the wave 4. at the 28.8. We tested it today. This could be an ABC down. We could do an ABC up, so we could have a sharp move to, let's say, 38,000 here. If 28.8 is taken out, then I think we see 27,000, 26 maybe on a flush out. And but I think that would still be a correction. I think we still would see some type of rally back up in the 36, 37 level before we need to being worried about a major bear market. So I'm not in major bear market at the moment. I still think, you know, what was it? Kathy Woods had said that I guess she's got people talking to her, want to know about Bitcoin because she was loving it much lower. She's saying that there's companies looking to do what Square did. So I still think you're going to have that once in a while. And then if you get a good up move in Bitcoin, you're going to have a little bit of FOMO always. So I think we have huge volatility. So we've been saying have a hodl bag, leave it alone. Don't get out of it at the lows and don't go to all hodl at the highs. That's what people do. And those are mistakes. So have your hodl bag that you're comfortable with. And I think you need to get in here and do some trading, whether you follow us or follow somebody else. You need to, you got to trade these things, put some money in your pocket. So that is all I got. I hear you, Hank. And no volume has came off the lows yet, so we need to see that here. But we'll give it a chance. Exactly, Hank. That's the way to do it. FOMO in the house. Yeah, I mean, Kathy's talking. That's it. I mean, who knows where we're headed? Just got to try to trade them. Put on some risk-reward trades that make sense. And do what we can. So Bitcoin 31,200. Let's see if we can get a rally going here, and we'll try to be on here tomorrow if we get any action worth discussing. Otherwise, once again, going to run a commercial here and end of the show, and catch you tomorrow.
Are you intrigued by cryptocurrency, but just aren't sure how you can get started investing? Maybe you are simply too busy to trade your own cryptocurrency account since it is 365 24/7. Don't hold back any longer. With LearnCrypto.io, you can have a seasoned professional show you how. Todd W. Butterfield is a leader in trading with numerous real money trading successes to his name over the years. He owns LearnCrypto.io, the original Wyckoff Stock Market Institute, WyckoffSMI.com, as well as the Black Bay Group, a registered investment advisor. He has also created state-of-the-art software, consolidating over 100 plus crypto exchanges volume, as well as his own Wyckoff proprietary indicators. With today's stressful and busy lifestyles, isn't it time you considered having a knowledgeable investor manage your crypto account? In these unprecedented times, it is the perfect season to seriously consider LearnCrypto.io's private client group and add cryptocurrencies to your investment portfolio.
We'll see you all again. Sleep tight.